Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see more of ERD's repairs.
This is a Fanuc power supply used to power up multiple modules in a rack system and came in from a machine shop. The unit came in unable to power up due to its age, so we gave it a full cleanup and rebuild to get it as good as new. Our video shows the unit attached to a linear load and shows that the unit is outputting power like it should. ERD is ready and capable to repair all units used for machining, and our 3-year warranty makes it so that nothing goes wrong from our repairs. So, if you're having issues with your electronics modules, call today for your quote.